Do you love coffee enough? Then you should definitely include this appliance in your kitchen and make it a luxury one. Imagine waking up to a perfect cup of coffee every day with this built-in beauty. You can effortlessly brew your coffee with its easy-to-use touch interface. Just put fresh coffee beans into it, pick up your favorite brew and you're done. You can even schedule your brew and easily adjust the sprout height to fit different cup sizes, ensuring no spills and perfect pours. The best part, it fills 2 cups simultaneously. Do you know how much this coffee machine costs? Share your guesses in the comments and follow for more kitchen updates.